In the United States, one small auto insurance mistake can cost you $20,000 or more, even if the accident is not your fault. If you live in the US and you drive a car, this video could save you thousands of dollars. Every year, people lose money because their insurance claim gets denied, their policy gets canceled, or they are forced to pay huge bills out of pocket. And the reason is simple. They bought auto insurance without understanding how it really works. In this video, I will explain what auto insurance really is in the US, what coverage you actually need, and the biggest mistakes that insurance companies profit from. This video is especially helpful for beginners and new immigrants. Let's start from the basics and protect your money.
What is auto insurance? Auto insurance is a legal contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a monthly or yearly amount called a premium. In return, the insurance company agrees to help pay for damages when you cause an accident, someone hits your car is stolen, or someone gets injured. Here's the most important thing to understand. Auto insurance protects your money, not your car. In most U.S. states, driving without insurance is illegal. If you are caught without insurance, you may face heavy fines, license suspension, vehicle impound, even jail time in some states.
Why auto insurance is mandatory. Accidents in the U.S. are extremely expensive. If you crash into someone and you don't have insurance, the government does not want the innocent person to suffer because of your mistake. Insurance exists to make sure someone pays, even if you cannot afford it. That is why every state has minimum insurance requirements. But minimum coverage does not mean good coverage, and that's where many people get trapped.
Types of auto insurance coverage. 1. Liability insurance, most important. Liability insurance is the minimum required by law. It covers damage you cause to other people's vehicles, medical bills of other people if they are injured. Important, liability insurance does not cover your own car. If you only have liability coverage and you crash your car, you pay for your own damage. 2. Collision coverage. Collision coverage pays for your own car damage if you hit another car, you hit an object like a pole or wall, you cause an accident. This coverage is optional but required if your car is financed or leased. 3. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage protects your car from non-accident events like theft, fire, flood, hail, vandalism, hitting an animal. Collision plus comprehensive together are commonly called full coverage. 4. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if another driver hits you and they have no insurance or not enough insurance. Many people skip this coverage to save money and later regret it the most.
What does full coverage really mean? Full coverage is not a legal term. It usually means liability, collision, comprehensive. But here's the truth. Full coverage does not mean everything is covered. There are coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions. Never assume anything is covered unless it is written in your policy.
What is a deductible? Deductible is the amount you pay first before insurance pays. Example, if your deductible is $1,000 and the damage is $5,000, you pay $1,000. Insurance pays $4,000. Lower deductible equals higher monthly premium. Higher deductible equals lower monthly premium. Choose wisely.
Biggest auto insurance mistakes. Mistake number 1, buying the cheapest policy without understanding coverage. Mistake number 2, lying on the insurance application. Mistake number 3, not updating address or drivers. Mistake number 4, believing full coverage means full protection. Mistake number 5,
never reading the policy. Insurance companies legally deny claims every day because of these mistakes.
Final advice, you. Auto insurance in the USA is confusing by design. But if you understand the basics, you can save thousands of dollars. You can avoid denied claims, and you can protect your future. Never rush, never buy blindly, and never assume anything. In upcoming videos, I will explain how insurance companies really make money, why claims get denied, how to choose the right coverage for your situation. Subscribe if you want clear, honest, no-nonsense explanations about auto insurance in the USA. Thanks for watching.